Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about inter first year English grammar topic present perfect tense. First year English grammar topic present perfect tense. This is very useful for 10th class, inter and degree for all. So those who are writing group examinations, job examinations, other competitive examinations, for everyone, this topic is very useful. This is the third tense form of present tense. So earlier we have studied simple present tense and present continuous tense. This is the third form. Present perfect tense is the third form, and this is the rank number one. So first rank can be given to this present perfect tense. First rank can be given to this one. Why first rank is given to this one? Because this is the most widely used tense form across the globe. This is the most frequently, most commonly, most widely used tense form. So across the globe in the world, it is the most widely used one, present perfect tense. So rank number one, first rank. So we are going to learn about the first rank present perfect tense. Okay, here we go now. First, as usual, formula. So what is the formula for present perfect tense? So two helping verbs are called present perfect forms. They are have and has. Have and has, they are called present perfect forms. Only two helping verbs, have and has. Have for plural, has for singular. He has, she has, India has, it has, Mr. Rao has, Mrs. Reddy has, we have, they have, the children have, okay, the people have, the students have. But for I and you, have only, though they are singular, have only, okay. Have or has followed by V3, third form of the verb. You know that every verb has three forms: go, went, gone, see, saw, seen, take, took, taken. So last form, past participle, last form of the verb, it should be followed by the last form of the verb. So in go, went, gone, gone we have to take. In see, saw, seen, seen we have to take. In teach, taught, taught, taught we have to take. Okay, in sell, sold, 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 the last one we have to take. Okay, this is called present perfect tense. Now what is the use? When should we use it? So what is the use? The usage is very simple. This tense is used to indicate a recently completed action. Just now the action is over. Not yesterday, not day before yesterday, not last year, last month. No. So just now, recently, just now, the action which is connected with the present. The action which is linked with the present. For that kind of actions, recently finished, just now completed actions, for those actions we use present perfect forms. So look at the examples. If you look at the examples, it will be very clear. Just now he dash arrived. They will give like this: arrive. Just now he dash arrived. So he means singular. Singular we have to take has. He has arrived, 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 has arrived. This is the answer. Okay, so just now he has arrived. How do we know? Just now is the indication. This is the indication, time indication. Just now he has arrived. Just now she has arrived. Just now we have arrived. They have arrived. Okay, second one, look at the second example. They dash just reach the airport. Okay, they dash just reach the airport. They takes have, okay, plural, that's why they have just reached, they have just reached the airport. They have just reached the airport. Okay, just is the indication. In the exam they will help you, these words they will help you, indicators, time words, they will help you a lot. With the help of these words only we can easily come to know about the answer. Okay, after seeing this we will arrive at present perfect tense. Okay, so if you come across these words, we have to use present perfect tense in the answer. They have reached the airport. We have reached the airport. Recently she dash make a movie. Recently she dash make a movie. She takes singular, takes has. She has make, made. V3 is made. She has made a movie. Recently she has made a movie. This is the answer. Okay, so what is the indication here? Recently is the indication. This is the time indication. Recently is the indication. Okay, so far we dash cover 5 chapters. So far we have, we means plural, so we have cover, V3 is covered, completed. Okay, so far we have completed 5 chapters. So far we have covered 5 chapters. So far we have covered 3 chapters. Okay, so far Kohli has made 30,000 runs. So far Mohammad Shami has taken 300 wickets, like that. So far is the indication. They will give these hints definitely. Without hints they won't give, they will give. Okay, next one, how to ask questions using present perfect tense. Dash you ever dash see the Taj Mahal. Okay, so have you, you takes have you ever, see saw, seen, V3 is seen. So here we have to use have, here we have to use V3, see saw, seen. Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Have you ever seen the Agra Fort? Have you ever seen the Charminar? Have you ever visited the Darjeeling? Okay, so have you ever visited Ooty? Okay, I dash not pay the fee at. I dash not pay. Here ever is the indication. Here ever is the indication. Okay, I dash not pay the fee at. YET at. This is the indication. So okay, every sentence has indication. Please remember, every sentence has time indication. We have to remember these indications. Okay, at. I takes have. I have not is there, no negation. Okay, I haven't or I have not. I haven't paid. I haven't paid. I haven't paid the fee at. I haven't paid the exam fee at. I haven't bought the books at. He hasn't reached the airport at. Okay, this is the indication here. Now, till now the doctor dash here only. Till now he dash here only. Till now is the indication. Okay, till now the doctor. So has, doctor means singular, has. What is the V3 of B? B was been. B was been. Been we have to write. B becomes been. He has been here only. Till now it has been here only. Till now it has been here only. Till now she has been here only. Okay. Now here look at this sentence, eighth one. Now the next example, the journalist dash interview the MP. The journalist dash interview the MP when there is no time indication here. So here there is a time indication, here there is a time indication, here we have indication. Every sentence has indications. Okay, just now, just so far, recently, ever, never, all these are indications. But here in this sentence, there is no time indication. Then how to use, which tense form we have to use here? See, no time indication is also one indication. Okay, when there is no time indication, in the given sentence, in such cases we have to use present perfect tense only present perfect tense. So when there is no time indication in the given sentence, that is also one indication. Okay, no time indication is also one indication for present perfect tense. Strictly we have to go for present perfect tense only, not other tense form. Okay, the journalist, only one journalist, so has, a journalist has interviewed. The journalist has interviewed the MP. The journalist has interviewed the Prime Minister. The journalist has interviewed the MLA, like that. Okay, so there is no time indication. In that cases we have to use present perfect tense only, not the other form. So these are the indications. So we have to write the indications separately. Time indications, in some books they are also called clue words, hints. Okay, hint words, all are same. So these are the indications. Please write down. Just now, comma, just, comma, recently, comma, so far, comma, ever, never, at, till now, no time indication. So all these are the indications. So we have to write the indications separately. Indications. So formula, usage, example, indications. Formula, usage, examples, and indications. In this way we have to learn all the tense forms one by one. 12 tense forms we are going to learn one by one. So we have covered 3. Okay, so simple present tense over, present continuous tense over, present perfect tense over. In the next video, inshallah, we are going to read, we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Number 4. So code number 4, present perfect continuous tense, PPCT, PPCT. So what is the usage, what is the formula, that also we are going to learn in the next video. Okay, I hope that this video is very useful to you. You have understood this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So we meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.